Okay, so today we have an Echo leaf blower. It's a PB-580T, and today we're just going to do a service on it and change the hoses, the priming bulb, air filter, spark plug, fuel filter. This machine runs. I've already ran it 2 days ago. I let it cool off so we could get a fresh start, a cold start, after we get everything changed out. A little bit dirty, but not bad. So we're going to take the air filter housing off so we can get to everything easily. There's no fuel filter on it, and the vent fell off, so good thing we're replacing the lines. Okay, so the carburetor was on there. The gasket was a little bit stuck, so I had to pry it off. But just be careful that you don't rip the gasket if it sticks on you like that. So we'll take the hose off. I'm going to go ahead and take off the throttle. Just a little hook there, no big deal. That way I don't cut myself when I try to cut this hose. Yellow hose to the bottom, black hose to the top. Now we'll replace the priming bulb. Okay, so here's the new assembly, the hose assembly. So we get the old one out of here. This has an fuel filter in it. The vent goes to the back. You need to check that before you take it out. Okay, I pulled this out a little bit like I did with the black one. I might have to pull the black one out a little bit more. Black one goes on top. Yellow one goes on bottom. And now we can check our priming bulb. There it goes. You want to make sure that the yellow is got gasoline going down. Which it is. And then we'll put our throttle back on. Now I'm just going to put the screws in just for a minute, just to hold everything in place so I can get the clamp for the hoses hooked up here. But I'll have to take the screws back out so we can put the air filter housing back on. Okay, now I've always have checked to make sure the priming bulb still works after you put clamps on, because if you restrict that flow, then it won't work. So now that everything's basically in line, we'll take the screws back out. Make sure that we got it on correct. Yep, everything's looking good. Now we'll tighten it down. New air filter. Change out the spark plug. Okay, so we're going to gap it from 25 thousandths to 30 thousandths. It's a little bit loose. Okay, here we go. Always tighten these by or thread them down by hand. That way you don't cross thread it. And then all you need the wrench for is just to tighten it down. Okay, so if this was a weed trimmer, I would go ahead and check the spark arrestor just to make sure that it wasn't clogged. But these always run at such high RPMs, it's very unlikely that it'll ever be clogged, so there's just a waste of time. But you would have to take out the entire housing to get to the spark arrestor on the muffler. So that's all there is to do in a tune-up on an Echo leaf blower. So if you'll click this up next box, take you to a video where I was working on something. So I hope this video helps you work on your equipment under the shade tree. Thanks for watching.